What's up, guys? HVAC Millionaire here, aka Kelly McKay, here to talk to you about writing some options, giving options in one of those types of situations where it just feels like it might be a waste of time, or it feels like, the customer doesn't have any money, they want the bare minimum. So we'll talk about that here in just a moment. Hey guys, nice to see you again. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into today's topic. So I was doing some training last weekend with just another HVAC contractor, and he was telling me, he's like, we were just going over option sheets, and he was saying, what if I get this elderly gentleman who just wants the bare minimum, and he's on a fixed income, and he doesn't live in a fancy house and doesn't have a fancy car. Should I just go in and, like, I don't want to give him a bunch of options, because I just want to fix it for as little money as possible so I can help him out. And you know what I said to that? I said, as soon as you decide not to give him options, you're making the decision for him. So this is not pushy sales by any means. It's just like this. So I said, I tell you what if you took, let's call him Mr. Jones. What if you took Mr. Jones to the restaurant and you said, hey, Mr. Jones, wait, let me get a piece of paper here. Hey, Mr. Jones, let's go to a restaurant together. We sit down and the waiter comes out and you say, Mr. Jones, he gets the one menu, and the server knows what you're talking about. So they give him the one menu, and guess what Mr. Jones gets to pick from? Pork chops and corn. I mean, limited options, right? That's what Mr. Jones gets to pick from, and you're making that decision for him. He gets pork chops and corn. Where on the other hand, if you think that they have a little bit of money, I mean, that's what you're telling me when you tell me that I don't want to give anyone a bunch of options if they don't have a bunch of money. Well, it's not about the money. It's about serving that customer just as you would serve any customer. And so it's not fair to only offer pork chops and corn to Mr. Jones when you're telling me in a different circumstance that you would offer the pork chops, the filet mignon, the ribs, the prime rib, the pulled pork, the lobster, the scampi, the scallops, the shrimp, the shrimp cocktail, the fried shrimp, the sirloin, the pork loin, the gourmet burgers, asparagus, corn, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, salad, house or Caesar. And that's just part of the menu. Like, you know, as a professional, as an expert, that you have a huge menu of products and services that you can offer to a customer to help them out tremendously. So how is it fair in any way, shape, or form for you to make the decision that you're only going to offer pork chops and corn? So when you offer only pork chops and corn, you are discriminating. Believe it or not, you are discriminating because you don't believe, that he has the money to do anything else. Well, that is not up to you. What is up to you is to be the professional and look at the entire system, make sure that, check everything thoroughly, just as you would any other system. Draw up a diagnosis, write your options that are available to Mr. Jones, and then discuss them. Discuss the options with him. It's up to him if he wants to do anything. That's the bottom line. It's not up to you. So as soon as you decide that I'm only doing the bare minimum here and he doesn't get an option, the only option is just, here's your option to get your furnace up and running. Well, what if the blower is filthy? He's paying, it's costing him money to run a dirty blower. It's costing him a tremendous amount of money over the course of several years. So you're going to be saving him some money in the long run. You're extending the life of his equipment and increasing his utility efficiency. So stop just offering pork chops and corn. Offer them the whole menu. The whole menu of the things that are relevant to their system and their home that they actually need. Be the professional. Look them in the eye. Dress accordingly. Act professional. And as long as you do that, then you've done your job. It's up to Mr. Smith, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones he still has the option to just get the pork chops and the corn. Like he can, that's his prerogative. That's up to him. If that's what he chooses, great. I'm happy to do anything. I'm happy to do the pork chops and corn, or I'm going to serve you some prime rib if that's what you'd like. So give them the option. Stop making the choice for them. Your customers are better off for it. You will be better off for it, and you'll be showing up as a professional every single time. So hope this resonated with you guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more, go to www.hvacserviceready.com. There's a business membership and a technician membership. Check out those, and hope to see you in there. But until next time, go make money. Boom.